So I've been filming from my GoPro for a while. And just watch this one for a second. Just a minute ago, the way the wind chimes are blown right now, it's been doing that like multiple times now. Like, look at this. The wall has been blown like crazy and such. Oh my god. Oh crap. Yeah, that. I heard the wall again. It's continuously blowing like this. Oh. Oh. Dang the wall. Making some crazy noises. Oh. Yeah, but most of the videos will be like only 11 minutes and they'll continue because I have a bunch of videos that I'm going to be posting from my GoPro and it's going to take a while. Especially to get all of them posted. But, oh my golly, that was insane. Those few gusts, I'm going to have to post those as short, like a 3-minute short. Like, that was insane. Holy moly, I have a few clips that I can use for my GoPro on that. That was insane. Oh, Lord. Ow. I want to try to get you guys a crazy sneak peek of one of these gusts. Oh, those cream rolls. Okay, we got a good one coming. Oh my Lord. Look at the woods. Yeah, that's gonna blow. That is gonna really blow. Oh crap! Oh! Oh snap. Oh, here we go. Oh! Dude, Mr. Tom's evergreens. I can see that one right there. I'm going crazy. Holy cow. Oh. Dude, this is gonna be nuts here in a second. Uh-oh, I might sneeze. Okay, maybe not. Is my GoPro almost dead? Yeah, it's getting there. I'll have to go replace the battery again. But I'll have to do that like right after this quick video too, so. right. I guess it's not. I'll have to do it again later, but yeah.